Hi, that is not an egg, it's my favorite tofu egg-like scramble. It takes few minutes to make and it tastes really good. Let's scramble some tofu. To start off, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil onto a medium-high heat non-stick frying pan. Then I'm going to scramble about 250 grams of organic tofu into small pieces. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty at this point. The goal is to get the smallest pieces possible. I like to break any big pieces left with a wooden spatula. The smaller the tofu, the better outcome you will get. After all, you don't want a big yellow piece of tofu on the outside with a tasteless white center. The goal here is to just warm up the tofu, not to fry it. Now it's time to make the magic happen. I'll add about a teaspoon of flavored salt or aromat and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Wait, what? Aromat, aromatic or flavored salt. These products are widely available in many stores. It's commonly used to flavor eggs and salads. If you can't find it in your area, I was able to replicate the same taste by mixing about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then sprinkle some sugar on top and that's it, you're good to go. If you're using the ready products, then salt is not needed since aromat is about 50% salt already. Back to the pan. Once you've mixed the tofu and spices together, I like to make a little circle in the middle of the pan, and I'll add to that a total of 3 tablespoons of plant-based milk. 2 spoons go in first, and I immediately add about a teaspoon of egg replacement. I'm using this product, which is widely available in the market, but you can always replace it with corn or tapioca starch. I believe the active ingredient here is methyl cellulose. If you can get your hands on that, it will definitely give that sticky texture of the egg white. Or you can definitely use a spoon or 2 of ready hummus and 1 tablespoon of plant-based milk. That also tasted amazing, you should try it. Once all ingredients are mixed, I'm gonna add the 3rd tablespoon of plant-based milk. I'm using the original Oatly oat milk, but any type you have in the fridge should work fine too. Now you can see how the loose pieces of tofu came together and started forming bigger clusters, just like the real thing. This part is optional, but man, I love adding feta cheese to my egg. I like to break some pieces on top of my tofu immediately after switching off the stove. The cheese will partially melt and give some extra depth and flavor. You should definitely try it. I'm using the Violife Greek style cheese, but I also tried this with tomatoes, sausage and mushrooms, and they all tasted great. All what's left is a dash of black pepper on top. To plate this, I'm gonna slap 2 pieces of bread on my board, top them with sliced avocado, a dash of barbecue salty spice, and finally our amazing tofu scramble. This recipe is good for 2, but I like to eat it all by myself. Please experiment with the recipe and let me know how did it go with you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the B-roll.